Number 1. 1977 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FLH, $7,500, Lothian, Maryland. This 1977 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead is a classic American touring motorcycle that carries the unmistakable sound, feel, and road presence that made Harley-Davidson famous during the 1970s. Finished in blue and reportedly mostly original, this FLH represents the traditional full-size Harley touring experience, powered by the legendary Shovelhead V-twin engine. Vintage FLH models remain highly desirable among collectors and riders who appreciate authentic old-school Harley styling. According to the seller, the motorcycle has been owned for more than 25 years and comes with original accessories, including the seat, tour pack, light bars, and additional parts. The bike is also described as having no issues, suggesting it has been carefully maintained throughout long-term ownership. For buyers searching for a classic Harley touring machine with originality and proven history, this Shovelhead FLH offers timeless American motorcycle character. Number 2. 1982 Honda CB900F Supersport, $6,800, Howell, New Jersey. The 1982 Honda CB900F Supersport is one of the most respected Japanese performance motorcycles of the early 1980s, known for its strong inline-4 engine, sharp styling, and impressive reliability. Finished in the classic silver and blue color scheme, this low-mileage example reportedly remains completely stock and highly original, with just over 8,500 miles. The CB900F became famous for blending real-world usability with serious performance, helping establish Honda's reputation for high-quality sport motorcycles. According to the seller, the motorcycle has been meticulously cared for in a climate-controlled environment and recently received fresh fluids, carburetor service, and brake maintenance. Aside from a small dent on the muffler, the bike is described as being in excellent cosmetic and mechanical condition. For enthusiasts searching for an unmodified Japanese superbike from the golden era of motorcycling, this CB900F Supersport stands out as a beautifully preserved example. Number 3. 1977 Harley-Davidson Sportster $1,000, $2,800, Dahlonega, Georgia. This 1977 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster 1000 captures the raw and mechanical character that made vintage Sportsters so popular among Harley enthusiasts. Powered by the iconic Ironhead engine, the bike combines lightweight Harley handling with the aggressive personality that helped define American performance motorcycles during the era. Finished in blue and featuring numerous recent mechanical updates, this example appears to have been actively maintained and improved. According to the seller, the motorcycle recently received a new clutch, head gasket, ignition components, brakes, tires, alternator conversion kit, and an S&S Super E carburetor. The engine has also reportedly been bored over for additional performance. For riders looking for an affordable vintage Harley with classic Ironhead attitude and upgraded components, this Sportster offers strong personality and old-school appeal. Number 4. 1974 Moto Guzzi V7 Custom, $4,000, Middletown, New York. The 1974 Moto Guzzi V7 is a legendary Italian motorcycle platform celebrated for its transverse V-twin engine layout and unmistakable European styling. This fully customized example blends classic Moto Guzzi heritage with handcrafted modifications, while reportedly featuring a rebuilt engine, transmission, and rear end. Vintage Moto Guzzi customs continue to attract riders who appreciate unique engineering and distinctive road presence. According to the seller, the motorcycle includes V7 Sport side covers and upgraded headlamp brackets that contribute to its custom appearance. The rebuilt drivetrain components suggest the bike was refreshed with usability in mind, while still maintaining its vintage Italian character. For buyers searching for a one-of-a-kind Moto Guzzi custom with strong mechanical foundations and timeless style, this V7 offers a very distinctive package. Number 5. 1965 BSA A65 Star, $3,000, Robbins, North Carolina. This 1965 BSA A65 Star is a classic British twin-cylinder motorcycle that reflects the golden era of 1960s British motorcycling. Featuring original paint and a single carburetor setup, the motorcycle appears to retain much of its factory character while offering the simple mechanical charm enthusiasts continue to appreciate today. BSA's A65 models became popular for their lightweight feel, smooth power delivery, and traditional British styling. According to the seller, the motorcycle is largely original and was running well before being parked several years ago. The bike reportedly only needs carburetor cleaning and a battery to return to running condition, while also carrying a clean title. For collectors or riders searching for a rare and mostly original British classic with restoration potential, this A65 Star presents an appealing vintage opportunity. Number 6. 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 XLCH, $2,500, Stanhope, New Jersey. This 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLCH is a classic kickstart ironhead that delivers the raw and mechanical riding experience vintage Harley enthusiasts continue to love. Powered by the 1000cc V-twin engine, the XLCH models became well known for their stripped-down character, lightweight feel, and unmistakable exhaust note. Finished in blue and updated with ape-hanger handlebars, this Sportster carries the custom style that defined many American motorcycles of the 1970s. According to the seller, the bike recently received new tires, a new fuel tank, and a new battery, while remaining kickstart only for a truly old-school riding experience. With more than 50,000 miles showing, this motorcycle appears to have been actively enjoyed over the years, rather than hidden away. For riders looking for an affordable vintage Harley with classic ironhead personality, this XLCH offers authentic character and timeless custom appeal. Number 7. 1978 Triumph Bonneville T140E, $5,250, Rising Sun, Maryland. The 1978 Triumph Bonneville T140E represents one of the final generations of the legendary British parallel twin that helped define classic motorcycling. Powered by a 750cc engine, the T140E combines traditional Triumph styling with a riding experience that remains smooth, lightweight, and engaging even decades later. This example is described as a clean and well-maintained vintage British motorcycle that has reportedly spent its life stored properly and cared for by enthusiasts. According to the seller, the bike was recently serviced by a vintage motorcycle shop and received fresh fluids, brake service, fuel lines, filters, and a new battery. The motorcycle is also said to start easily and handle very well, making it more than just a display piece. For buyers searching for a classic Bonneville with strong presentation and road-ready condition, this T140E offers a very appealing blend of style and usability. Number 8. 1981 Kawasaki KZ, $1,250, Richfield, Ohio. This 1981 Kawasaki KZ is an affordable vintage Japanese motorcycle that appears to have received extensive recent maintenance while still offering the simple charm of an early 1980s standard bike. Finished in burgundy, the KZ models became popular for their dependable inline engines, comfortable riding position, and straightforward mechanical design. Even today, these motorcycles remain attractive entry-level classics for riders wanting an inexpensive vintage machine. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs and rides well and has already received rebuilt brakes and forks, along with cleaned carburetors, new tires, wheel bearings, battery, ignition parts, and clutch components. Those updates suggest the bike has been refreshed for continued road use rather than left sitting unused. For riders searching for a budget-friendly classic motorcycle with practical upgrades already completed, this Kawasaki KZ presents solid value. Number 9. 1970 Soviet Ural 650 with sidecar, $2,800, Woodbridge, Virginia. This 1970 Soviet-built Ural 650 with sidecar is a fascinating piece of vintage military-inspired motorcycling history. Based on designs that trace their roots back to pre-war BMW motorcycles, early Ural rigs became famous for their rugged construction, distinctive sidecar setup, and unmistakable Cold War character. The weathered original patina on this example adds to its authentic appearance while preserving the look and feel of a true vintage Soviet machine. According to the seller, the engine turns freely with strong compression, and the motorcycle includes many new replacement parts to support a future restoration. The sidecar frame and major components are also said to remain intact, making this a highly complete project. For collectors or restoration enthusiasts searching for an unusual vintage motorcycle with strong historical personality, this Ural sidecar rig offers a unique opportunity. Number 10. 1977 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead, $7,000, Warwick, Rhode Island. The 1977 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead remains one of the most recognizable touring motorcycles of the classic Harley-Davidson era. Powered by the legendary Shovelhead V-twin engine, the FLH combined long-distance comfort with unmistakable American road presence. Finished in black, this motorcycle captures the traditional full-size Harley touring look that became iconic during the 1970s. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs and rides well, while also including a title in hand. Simple descriptions like this are common with long-owned vintage Harleys that speak for themselves through sound and presence alone. For enthusiasts searching for a classic shovelhead touring bike with timeless styling and genuine old-school Harley character, this FLH represents a strong vintage cruiser option. Number 11. 1974 Honda CL, $3,500, Haverhill, New Hampshire. This 1974 Honda CL is a lightweight vintage motorcycle that captures the simple and enjoyable spirit of classic 1970s riding. Finished in blue, the bike offers the retro styling and approachable character that made Honda CL series popular with riders looking for versatility and everyday usability. Smaller displacement Hondas from this era continue to attract attention for their reliability, easy handling, and timeless appearance. According to the seller, the motorcycle is road-ready and recently received a new battery for the current riding season. An electric start system has also been added, making the bike easier and more convenient to use regularly. For riders searching for a fun and approachable vintage Honda with classic styling and simple mechanical charm, this CL appears to be a solid retro ride. Number 12. 1977 BMW R75/7, $5,000, New Windsor, Maryland. The 1977 BMW R75/7 is one of the most respected touring and adventure-oriented motorcycles of the late 1970s, powered by BMW's legendary air-cooled boxer twin engine. Finished in green, this classic German machine combines long-distance comfort with the durable engineering that made BMW motorcycles famous around the world. The /7 series became especially popular for riders who valued reliability, smooth highway performance, and timeless styling. According to the seller, the bike starts, runs, and rides well, while also being described as a fantastic vintage adventure motorcycle. Airhead BMW models like this continue to maintain a loyal following because of their straightforward mechanics and dependable road manners. For enthusiasts looking for a classic European touring bike with real character and usability, this R75/7 remains a very desirable option. Number 13. 1980 Yamaha XS, $2,100, Clintondale, New York. This 1980 Yamaha XS is a classic Japanese motorcycle that delivers the clean styling and straightforward riding experience many enthusiasts appreciate from the era. Finished in red, the bike is described as being in good condition while still retaining the authentic personality of a well-preserved vintage machine. Yamaha's XS series earned a reputation for dependable engines, comfortable riding manners, and strong aftermarket support that continues today. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs strong, has good tires, and shows no leaks, suggesting it has remained mechanically solid over the years. At over 4 decades old, finding a vintage motorcycle that still presents well and remains roadworthy is always appealing to collectors and casual riders alike. For buyers looking for an affordable classic Japanese motorcycle with usable condition and old-school charm, this Yamaha XS offers strong value. Number 14. 1978 Kawasaki KZ, $1,950, Lewistown, Pennsylvania. The 1978 Kawasaki KZ is a lightweight vintage motorcycle that represents the simple and fun nature of late 1970s Japanese bikes. Finished in red, this KZ carries the classic styling and compact feel that continue to make smaller vintage Kawasaki's enjoyable to ride today. Bikes like this remain popular among enthusiasts looking for affordable entry points into the classic motorcycle hobby. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs and rides while still maintaining its original old-school charm and attention-grabbing personality. The bike reportedly could benefit from carburetor adjustments and intake updates, but it remains operational and rideable as it sits. For riders searching for a budget-friendly vintage Kawasaki with character and light project potential, this KZ offers a fun, classic platform. Number 15. 1981 Suzuki GS850, $850, Monmouth Junction, New Jersey. This 1981 Suzuki GS850 is a classic inline-4 Japanese motorcycle being offered as a project bike with strong potential for restoration or customization. The GS series became known for smooth performance, comfortable riding manners, and dependable engineering, helping establish Suzuki as a major player during the golden era of Japanese motorcycles. Even today, the GS850 remains respected for its strong engine and classic universal Japanese motorcycle styling. According to the seller, the bike runs and drives, but will need additional work, including ignition replacement, carburetor tuning, and general maintenance after sitting for an extended period. The sale also includes a clean title, keys, and spare parts, which adds value for someone interested in bringing the motorcycle back to full condition. For vintage motorcycle enthusiasts searching for an affordable restoration project, this GS850 presents a promising opportunity.